The amazing benefits of natural stone countertops. Dear friends, natural stone countertops, vinyl countertops, or some other kind of countertop? That's the question many homeowners ask themselves when building a new house or remodeling their existing home. Most have an open mind when they initially ask the question. But, when faced with the facts, they quickly fall in love with natural stone countertops once they discover all of the amazing benefits. The aesthetics. Granite, marble, and soapstone countertops immediately transform a kitchen or bathroom from good to great. While aesthetics may be subjective, the tangible response people have to natural stone countertops is always positive because they look so great. The durability. Natural stone countertops last a lifetime. They are incredibly durable, require minimal maintenance, and can withstand the spills, accidents, and mishaps that often accompany day-to-day living. Hot cups of coffee, spilled wine, and even slicing knives rarely damage granite, marble, and soapstone. The uniqueness. No two slabs of granite, marble, or soapstone are exactly alike, meaning you can truly create a one-of-a-kind kitchen or bathroom by choosing them for your countertops. You can also work with a countertop fabricator to find a color and design pattern that fits the personality and character of any room. The value. Of all the countertop materials available to you, none will enhance the overall value of your home like natural stone. Granite, marble, and soapstone are always desirable and always in style. They are, in a sense, timeless but at the same time contemporary. Many homebuyers have decided to buy based on the natural stone countertops alone. The flexibility. Because each slab of natural stone is cut specifically for your counters, you can incorporate them into any design you desire. Whether you want a kitchen island that is shaped like a T or a round vanity in your closet, your natural stone fabricator can cut your slab of granite, marble, and soapstone to order. With natural stone, you have the flexibility to design the counters of your dreams. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Laud's channel, How to Make My House.